Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Tool Shop. Today is day 2 of the 2x72 belt grinder wheels. Yesterday I started making all the wheels. So far I only managed to get to one of them, but I also made all the spacers for the bearings. So today I'm just going to be continuing on making the wheels. Without further ado, let's jump into this one. Within the past like 2-3 hours or so, I managed to completely get the first wheel machined beautifully right through, machined to a 1-inch hole right through it, and then the 2 seats for the bushings to fit into. And so far I've managed to get the other one side bored out, the outside's turned down, everything's ready, just need to bore it and then I can flip it. But before everything closes down for Good Friday and the weekend and everything like that, I need to go get propane so that I can at least have it if I decide to work on the hammers. So let's go throw those in the car and go get some propane. I'm now back. I got propane, I got everything hooked up again. So with me now having propane, that means that I can continue working on the hammers tomorrow or in a few days or something. So I'm going to keep doing this until I get all the wheels made, and then hopefully I can get the grinder at least running. That's my hopes, is get it everything working. So let's jump back into making the wheels. I got the second wheel made! Hooray! The wheel turned out beautifully. The first side I did is going to be a very nice press fit in, and unfortunately the second side was just a little bit looser than it should have been, where it just slips in now with a little bit of wiggle room, but I don't think that'll be any issues, especially with how tight the inside ones are being pushed on. I think that'll be enough to keep them in place. I'm going to go ahead now, take the 2 looser fitting bearings, the ones that'll actually like just kind of slide off, and I'll start test fitting them in because I think I'm going to have to be taking down that shoulder just a touch bit more. But aside from that, let's start pressing some of these in. give you a little update as to where I'm at currently. So you saw me press fitting in the bearings. I just had to do a little bit of tweaking on the actual inside spacers, but now that I got everything turned down properly and everything pressed in and fit up nicely, the 2 wheels that I made are now completely done and ready to start being used. And I think if I was actually to fix the spacing, this would probably run perfectly without the tracking wheel, which is kind of insane. But thank you so much for watching. This is day 2, I believe, on working on the wheels for this guy. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment what you thought down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and other than that, we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day, folks.